Okay, it's 1983 and we're looking at railway station / train station 7824. Hopefully it'll be a quick-ish one, but I've never built this before. I used to have the older station that came before this, not this. But anyway, shut up and get on with it. Right, here are the people. That one. This one, a bit old-fashioned for 83 really, that one. Chef as cool as always. Don't know why chefs always had to have grey trousers. Why aren't they white? Well, the hamburger stall's got, what do you call it? Black ones, isn't he? Think about it. The Italian restaurant's got white, so I'm talking at my house. Right, lots of people with these overalls on. All in red. We've got a nice lady in some overalls there. Very plain, boring person there. She's from House with Garden, isn't she? Old cowboy hat and a nice waistcoat. Seems to have lost the jacket to get the rest of his suit. Actually left it on the train or something. And there's a very nice condition gold necklace there. Right, so they're all done. I'm going to scoop them up and put them just over here for now. And then we're going to start with the station. It's a very boring part here with, oh god, lining up lots of, it's almost worth starting this. Already haven't done this, but I'm not going to do that now. Right, 1, 2, just the instructions here, how many it goes in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 2 down, 8 across. Right, so it's 2 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's 2 down. There we go. Right, the gap of 4. And we've got a 1x4 black brick in here. Okay, and then another 2. There's an awful lot of black 2s in this. I'm going to put these in the middle here because that joins the 2 boards together there. I will move this closer when we get a bit further in so we can see a bit more of it, and some of the bricks have moved as well. Awful lot of red and black in this, and loads of grey plates. We've got a gap of 4 coming back this way, which would be that, and then a 2 there. Okay, I think. And let's move along. Oh, move that up. Right, okay, so it's just lots of gaps of 4 there. So we go gap of 4. Another gap of 4. Another gap of 4. So I'm choosing the letters on bloody countdown. Another consonant, please. What's she called? Got a bloody name now. It's not Carol, is it? Anyway, doesn't matter. Right, okay. So we go gap of 2 there. Okay, and we've got some 1s going on this end. God, this is tedious, this bit. You can just skip this bit till you see a bit of red brick, perhaps. Is that a gap of 4 there? 1, yes. Oh, God. 4 across, space. Alright. No, I mean, it's easy in the fact it's gaps of 4 every time, which is quite handy. Still incredibly tedious. Right, I haven't lined that up right, have I? Well, that's alright, easily fixed. Right, these will line up 4x4. 4, 4, 4, there it is. Another gap there. What's this one there? That's got a gap there. And then I think we're mirroring the other end with 6 in between and a 1x1 either side. Right, it's basically mirroring, isn't it? I think. No, it's not, because that's different. Talking to my ass. we've got to put a grey plate across here. That's about right. There it is. Okay. Right, let's hope it gets more exciting now. One more bit. Right, that's stage 1 and 2. So let's try and get a bit more exciting, shall we? Oh no, it looks even more boring now. Oh, man alive. We've got to do a whole row in front of that now. Ugh. Right, sorry. I mean, if I did it all beforehand, I wouldn't be building it, would it? But as I said, do feel free to hop to anything red. That means we're starting to put other bits in then. So lining these up again. Okay, keep lining them up. Keep lining them up. Another row there. Okay. Oh no, it's 4 there. That's 3 gap. And then another 3 gap, that's correct. And then I think it's the same as this end. There we go. Yes, there's some ones that come in slightly. You're down 3. 1. Oh god, this is tedious. Pulling teeth. And then, okay. And we go down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There. I need another black one, come on. Right, if this bit's missing on this, I will never make another video of this again because I'm not doing it again. This is so boring. Oh, okay, that's got right. We now got to add another row onto this lot. God, oh, this is dreadful. Right, we've got to put a 2 on there. A 2 on there. Okay. Some 1s. There's a 1, another 1. Where are they going? They're going there, it looks like. Okay. Now we're on stage 4, and it's still all these pieces. I do apologise. I mean, if you want something to go to sleep to, then this is perfect, isn't it? I mean, I watch all manner of shite on television and things while I go to sleep. So, yeah. I have dreams about lots of 1x2 black bricks. Okay. I might just shout in a minute really, really loudly just to wake you up. Make sure people are awake. But you've every right to fall asleep during this. I mean, this is something that could benefit the speed build at the stop, couldn't it? At the start even, but... do come along. Okay, I am going as fast as I can. I might make mistakes and I'm not even looking at the instructions, probably I'm just assuming they all have another row of bricks on there. I've seen a few that've got a row of plates in addition. I'm doing something I've got Armake now. This is just mad. I mean, was it a cargo centre or something in the 80s that's got the little supports, the little round supports that you usually have, like, you know, you find them at the bottom of a spaceship or whatever. I mean, they could just put those up, couldn't they, and all this. It's so tedious. I mean, you could just turn it off or fast forward, couldn't you? I've actually got to sit and do this. I say got to, I haven't, but I've started, haven't I? Right, now we need some 1x2 plates. Here we go. Right, just on these edge ones here, I think. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, my arm really is aching. Just swap arms. I mean, I've never done a build where I've had to swap arms before. You know. I've done some things where I've had to swap arms halfway, but that's something else. It's certainly not anything to do with Lego. Right, let's put that on there. Right, brace ourselves. Going to number 5 now. We're going to get some... Well, no, I can't believe this. I didn't actually check the instructions beforehand. But we're now putting more black plates. Oh, for God's sake, more black plates. This is incredibly boring, this. My God. Alright. Like I say, should you ever want to build this set, then don't. Because it's incredibly boring. Look at this. Right, these got inverted slopes on these two. Presumably the rest of the platforms are going to go on here, aren't they? Okay. And we've got a third row of bricks. We've also got some black plates to put on. 1 by 3s. I should have. There we are, 4 of those. So we have 1, 2 go on there. I think this is forming some sort of steps at the back to get onto the platform, I suppose. More of that later, we'll see that. Right, we've got to put a row now on all of these. Right, come on, let's get a few in my hand and do a few at once. There we go. Come on. We do the team of builders here. Ooh, sudden cool breeze drifting in through the door. I mean, that's the most exciting thing we can say so far, isn't it? There's a breeze. Oh, shite. Go on there. Oh. Right. Okay, that's kind of getting there. We've also got to make these things at each end. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 1 by 4 plates. And we've got to put these together. And these are the old ones, look. This is about exciting as it gets so far, look. They are the old style with a solid stud. Stay tuned for some red one of those later. What plate's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 6 by 12. 2 of them. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, yes. Okay, we've got to make 2 of these. Oh, rabbit's appeared, isn't it? Hello, Mr. Rabbit. You won't see him on camera because he's not that tall. He's not going to climb up on the table. Right. Okay. And then the 1 by 4s go there, and then you have to strengthen that with another one. Like that. Oh, somewhere. So that's good. I made loads of space, and now it's going to be we're going to need even more space now. Well, these go on top of. I mean, we can't even see that coming out. Goes on top there, and sort of balances on the ones that are there. I can't. There's no room in here to move this. Right? I didn't realise it was so bloody wide. Let's move this way then. Let's do the other one. 1, 2, 3. Where's the hinge plate? Don't piss me about. There it is. And 1, 2, 3, 4 plates. Let's do it again then. More old-fashioned solid studs. Who doesn't enjoy a good old solid stud? I'm sure we all would. Even those who wouldn't like to admit it. What are we talking about now? Right. Okay. There go the plates. Well, I'm hoping for a splash of colour on the next part of the instructions. I bet it isn't. I bet it's just grey plates going on the top. So let's put our other bits on there. Well, it's looking okay. number 6. Oh, we might. Oh no, that's number 7, I think. Number 6 is there we are. Lots of greyness. Okay. Got lots of these at the back, so I think we're going to go like that. Okay. That looks about right. That looks about right as well. And that one. Little gap at the back with a 2x4. Okay, like that. Another one on that side. And so it's a smaller one there we are. And then quite simply, I think it just is the same this way. We're just going to get, if I've got these right, which it looks like I have, he says, these are all going to line up nicely. Right, it's going to get exciting now, honestly. I'm promising it. Okay. Bastard thing, there it is. Pardon me. This one there. And then these two on the ends. Hurrah, right, okay. Let's move down. Let's get rid of that thing. We have colour. We have some colour, finally, on our station, and it's red. Look, there we go. Break open the champagne and get the fanfares going. Right, let's put our 1x grey plate there. Now it's lots of red 2s now. It doesn't have a footbridge, this one, like the old one did beforehand. And I think they realised it was, rather than make a decent design to have a footbridge, they just gave up because it was shite. You know, to even touch it and it just collapsed because it had, I don't know if we got any here, the shorter 1x2 versions of those as the support, so it's always collapsing. But anyway, it was a good looking station. Let's have that. Should we move in? Let's zoom in a little bit while we're doing this bit. Okay. Let's have an 8 on this side as well. It looks like. Another 8, lots of 8s going on here. Another 8. Yes. There we go. Is that 6? We're going to assume it's a 6. It fits. As if we hadn't. Oh, that's fine. Used up all the 1x2 black bricks as well. There we go. What that in there. Okay, and ooh, a dash of yellow now. 1, 2, 3 across, and then is that it? I'll make sure they're all. No, that's not right. Oh, shite. 1, 2, 3, and then 1. Right. Oh no, that's right. Then there'll be a gap of 1 then. That's correct. A gap of 4. Okay, and what we got at the back here? No, that isn't a 6 there, is it? It's a 3 and a 2. So we'll change that because it's now an 8 across the back there. I wonder why Lego never made a 5. I'm not sure why that's happened. They never made them. 6. There we go. And another 2 and a 3. They make 3s, which is an odd number, and 1s. But I don't know. So you can recognise some of the shitty fake Lego and stuff because you think, well, Lego never made a brick that size. Okay, we've got some sort of steps going up here. Like, there we go. It's just not going across the tracks. Across the tracks. You better go back. Alright, let's build up the. Oh, we can't see it, can you? Yeah. Build up. Just slide this backwards and forwards along, I think. We need some slopes here. There we are. 3x1. 2 of them. Should have another one somewhere. Lots of inverted ones. There it is. Stolen off the side of a racing car. Oh, 2 more of those. Well, I didn't. I've got that many, have I? Alright. Another one. Come on, 1 more. There it is. Stolen off the side of 2 racing cars. Okay, we've got a 2. And 2 1x4 plates. We're gonna have one there. Another one on the top. Okay, we've got 3. What's that? It looks like a 3 and a 2 again. I think so, yeah. Okay. Possibly. Move that along. There it is, build up that end. It's hard to get this in, isn't it? If I put it all in, it's too far away to see it, and then if I don't, then... Okay, right, we're building up the steps here to start with. Let's just do this like this, let's move it along. Okay, here's another one. And another one there. Where's that? There it is. So they're now joining. Okay, move along. This bit, you've got to put a telephone in there, it's exciting. I've got a blue one of these, which are about £60 each or something stupid now, because it's only one set, so do stay tuned for that one. Okay. Oh, it's got a 1x1 brick either side too, which makes the receiver. I'm going to turn that around, just it's got the little mould mark on it. Okay. We've got a 3. We've got a 1, and we've got a nice post box in there. So where's the post box? There it is. This is kind of the bit you want to jump to, I would recommend. Okay. Oh, we've got to make some sort of coffee machine here. Okay, so we start with that. Something, there we go, right. Hello, Jane. No doubt about it. I lost it. It's like women on the advert. Sounds like Anne Widdecombe, but it isn't. It's the advert for Jane Plan. Right, this is some sort of coffee maker, isn't it? That. I see. Well, it's a white brick on the instructions, and the next bit, after you put that clear bit on it, it looks like it's gone trans clear, but it isn't. It's still white, but it's gone a bit weird. So there we go. Oh, she falls asleep on my shoulders. Rude. Okay, we've got a clear cup in there. And a yellow one, which has just got to sit on the edge, I believe. So that kind of looks about right. Okay. And that's going to sit on there. I'm going to knock it off as well. Right. We're going to have a 2 here. And a 6. We're going to have 4 of the proper original seats. Not these ones that were stupid. Sprue on them. Is it that one? Isn't it? Oh, what's wrong with this now? As if you haven't got time to waste. Right, 1, 2, 3. That's a... There's show a space of 4 in there. That's my fault. Didn't count 4 properly there, did I? Right, that's put them properly. That's it. Right, and we're running. Come on. Right, yeah, that's one in the end there. Leave a gap. One in there, yeah. Leave that. Please make some things. They've got seats where you can't sit 2 people next to it because their arms get in the way. I think some of the houses have got like double seats like that, which don't work. Oh, nearly missed a bit there. I just cannot see these lines on here. Right. Missed a bit there. We're supposed to have a 1x6 plate on there. See that? Check out the computer's in the way. Then it has that. And then we've got to have a 1x1 plate either side. Which I can't see. There it is. Okay, and we can put a third 6 on here, in there, moving back down again. And another step closes in. Don't know what's up there for. Why is that? I mean, Lego people can't climb stairs anyway, so I don't know why. They put so much thought into it, but anyway. There we go. That's the stairs. You've got one. There's very tight space in there to get your hand around that rather large telephone. 4 and a 2 we've got here now. There's our 2. There's our 4. Here it is. Move it down. It's going to be a 3, a 3 and a 2, I think. It's definitely a 2. That's where, yeah, it is a 3. Okay. Somewhere. Another 3. Okay, and we've got, this is the window without the glass in it. There's got 4 windows in this, and one doesn't have glass. This is the one without the glass. Okay. And got some 1s go beside. Somewhere, 1. Oh, my arm's aching now because of all that farting around earlier with the foundations. I'm sure they could have made it a bit easier than this, but still. They live and learn, hopefully. Okay, that's along there. It's derelict at the moment, isn't it? Right, moving along. Oh, let's put our window, while we're there, let's put our window with our shutter. They did look a green shutter, didn't they? You did get other colours, but rarely. It's quite weird that they never made green bricks for years. We had the green colour, didn't they? We had trees and flowers, and we had shutters that were green, and that was about it. I don't know why. I called base plates. Another one of these steps. Oh, got 4 steps. Just missing. Oh, there's H. There's 5 steps. So. There it goes. Just some more 1s on this telephone booth. Okay. Oh, that's a bit. A 2 and a 3. There we are. 2, 4. No, it's not a 2 and a 3, is it? It's a 3 and a 3. Idiot. 3 and a 3. This might be a 2 and a 6. I'm going to assume so, because I can't see a gap. And it would make sense to link those up nicely as well. Another 1x6 plate. It's going to join that up. Let's move it down. Right, door. Which way the door go correctly that way? It's not a toilet, is it? It's not a very private toilet. If it is, no, it's like a ticket box, ticket office booth type thing. That's maybe about there. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Oh, got an additional number of steps now. Do you know who that is? I don't know. James Corden. I don't know. Jim Bowen. Russell Grant. Alright, we're there. With that. Now we've got a inverted slope. We'll put some roof on soon. And that looks like a 2 and a 1, because I don't have the corner bits at this point, I don't think. I can leave a gap there, because we've got something to put in a moment. I've got a 2, and I think a 1, because there's going to be another inverted slope, which you can't quite see. Weave down there. And what's going there too? Okay, I've got me lolly bricks. There they are, keep them in a little plastic bag. Keep them safe. So they don't get all scratched. What a good idea that is. I should probably put my lady in a little bag as well, which I should do. Look after a necklace. Right, that's that then. We've got 2 windows. Quite hard to see which way the windows go. Honestly, they actually look like they go that way, which is a bit odd. I'm putting them in that way because that's what it looks like. It doesn't matter at this moment in time. Oh, we've got more sticker time. Okay, sticker fun. Oops, 1, 2, 3, 5. And where's my second bag of stickers for today from SpareStickers.com? There they are. And it's for the timetable to start with. It's got our timetable in the middle. Okay. Happy with that, that's alright. Where in you go? Somewhere, swap you in there, there it is. That looks good. Okay, oh, we've got to put some bricks around the top of the booth now, so it doesn't fall over. 6. 2 6s and 2 4s, that's quite sensible. There's my 4s. Another one, we'll move that down so you can see what we've done there. There we are. Back down to this end. What have we got now? A 2x3 brick is going to go across here. And I think that's going to be the last step. I think it's get to the, so you can get to the control tower, isn't it? Right, some inverted 1x3 slopes going on the top. I have to move it back now because we're moving forward, weirdly. Okay. Another one there. I mean, you don't really need to be a chef to work in a little snack bar like that, do you? I'm going to put him in here now because I'm assuming he's going to go in there. Where else is he going to go? In the control tower. Come on. Come on, Chef Ramsay. Or chef from somewhere. He's not a chef from South Park, is he? He's got the right colour. Is that about right there? I'm going to assume it's there. I could be wrong, we'll find that in a minute. I think it's a 3 and a 2 again. It's got to be because we've got 5s as previously discussed. It's going to be an 8, isn't it? Yes. I think a 6. Move down so we can see. I keep forgetting to do that. I do apologise. 2 and a 3. And then some sort of plate's going on the end here. Which one's that? One that hangs over the edge slightly. Is that one? Could be that one. There it is. Okay, move it back down. What's happening next? Oh, what that is? What's all that? 7, isn't it? Right, well, it's some sort of roof bit there, okay. To make it with one of these. And we've got this bracket either side here. Just got it in the middle, isn't it? And then a 1 by 2. I just realised this is where the clock's going to go, isn't it? Okay. And then another one. Yes, because I've got one. Oh, not going to be then. Okay. Oh, and I've got to put another grey plate at the top here somewhere. Let's put you on first. That'll help us. And that's going to go flush there. There we are. It's better than you know, isn't it? No, that's there. Okay. And we've got to put this on the other side. We need a... Oh, it's going to go there. Apparently. And... oh, man, what's going on now? Right, 2 1x2 plates from the look of it, either side here. Oh, okay, I get it. Move it down. Another 2 there. 1, 2. Okay, we've got some 4s. 4 bricks. There's one. There's not much red brick left now, actually, so we're kind of getting there. A 6 and another 6. Yeah. Reet. Carry on. Okay, we're building the tower now. So bring you back down. There we are. Another 3. Go in there. What is that? Well, looks like an 8. Okay. And I cannot fucking work out what these are. What's that? Is that 2 and a 4? Is that it? I think it looks like that. A 2 and then a 4. And then another 2. I mean, that's very unconventional what it is, but I mean, that's what I've got brick-wise, and it kind of looks like that, but it's very odd. Oh, let's get, I promised excitement with hinge bricks, hinge plates. And here we go, here comes some more excitement. That very rare red solid studs. I don't know why my fridge here in my kitchen keeps making noises like it's dispensing and making ice, like those fridges do, except I haven't got that one anymore. But it sounds like it's doing it, weirdly. So what's happening there? Move us along. Right, there we go. They're both there, like that. Okay. If you move down, we're on stage 16 now, which is incredibly exciting. Oh, we've got our chair in. Right, let's move down. Seat, proper old seat, no screws there, Gov. Some computers. Grey. Classic grey there. That's weird, isn't it? What's that? I mean, one's hanging off and one's solid. Don't know what that's about. No. Oh well. Looks like what it is. Right, got a bit of roof on here. Somewhere. Looks like it's going to go. That's pretty standard, isn't it? Yep. Right, moving down to the next one. Ah, these nice little corner slopes are getting on now. Put one there. Another one. Okay, 4 and a 2. That's another. It's double 6 slope. No, it's not a 6 slope. It's an 8. I probably do a 6. I'm just talking rubbish, but I've never actually seen one. Right, I've done something wrong here. Right, let's... Oh, I see what I've done wrong. Right, I'm with it now. I just put the computers in the wrong place, that was all. It's just nothing to worry about. That's why it's on there. Oh, it makes sense now, right. Idiot. Right, okay. Then we have the corner. Do we get another corner? Yes. Oh, get the clock on. Right, we can choose the times. What time is that? I mean, that's what? 2 minutes to 3, possibly? I don't know. So much like that. Oh, some bricks here. I'm going to show you. We move along. Yeah. 2 there. Got a nice rubber noise. Okay, this is the canopy part there. Going on there. I think it's what goes up slightly, doesn't it? But we'll leave it like that for now. Actually, we won't, because we're going to build on top of that, so I'll knock it down a bit. Right, back down here. Better? Right. Well, that seems to make things worse. Let's do that. Oh, there's a nice fruit bowl there. Let's move it on the way. I say fruit bowl as a basket. Right, windows. These have got glass in them. We've got the door. We've got 1, 2, 3. We've got a little luggage cart thing that I thought we might have made at the start, but evidently not. Other window with a thingy in it. And we've got some 1x3 red bricks that are going to go on to the sides. Okay. Oh, it's getting quite complicated on this roof section now. What's going on here? Well, we're going to have 1x2 bricks on there. Okay. Right, we've got to make 2 of these things here, if I can find. Okay, it starts with a 1x4 plate, like that. Another of these solid studs. Not going to do the solid stud joke again. It's funny the first time. Okay, if I can get it on there. Right, go on. Well, that goes in there. And then it looks like we then get another 3 and a 2 teeth. And then they go on there, is that right? And this bit off there, I think we have to have a 1x2 plate as well on there. Well, that looks about right, doesn't it now? Right, let's make another one very quickly. Okay, a neat one. Okay, where's my other bits? There we go, let's put that 1x2 on that brick. And then it's just the 2 and the 3 fingers. You snap that then, it's not that expensive. Stop eating the washing basket, Rabbit. There's a rabbit trying to eat the washing basket. It's plastic, so he's not going very far with it, but he's having a good go. Right, I can't see the solid bricks now behind the damn thing. Right, there's not much space here left actually, so we could. Oh, let's move it back a bit, that's better. Okay, now let's go that way, because it's getting quite high now. Okay, 1x6. Go on, get on there. You beggar. Is that it? Don't do anything else on this bit then. Alright, next one then. Oh, it's the roof for the. It's not on properly, is it? It's the roof for here. It's these 2 plates. Okay, there they are. And you can start to see part of the tripod there in the corner, which is a bit rubbish, but never mind. Sure, it's fine. Let's move it a bit. Alright, see a bit more on it now. Just use the knob in the corner as opposed to the knob in the voiceover. Oh, come on. Right, have we done that one? Yes, right, we're on stage. It doesn't feel like it, we're on stage 21 now. And that's almost it. We've got these little slopes going on the top there. Right, it's now inviting us to build a little luggage carriage thing. So let's do that. Let's push you back a minute. There we are. We've got rid of the knob now, haven't we? Just that one, not me. I'm slow. Don't really know it. Right, hot day as well. Put the door in. Oh, Rabbit's collapsed into his little hole. So that's fine. Right. Some clips here. Should be here. Yes, with a thin ring. I might actually just let you see that rather than just put my thumbs all over it. Some trans clear lights. They were quite rare at that point, trans clear lights, I think. I was quite excited about trans clear lights. A sad little kid that I was. Right, grey seat, proper one, of course. Let me know so far. We've got to put a plate underneath there, 2x4. And some 1x1 bricks either side of that. Quite sure where he needs a hard helmet to just do the baggage carrier. I mean, the airport never had an air. He had, in fact, didn't have a hat. He's a black hair, didn't he? At the first airport. Not even a cap. Okay, now a 1x4 plate, which has to go there, and some 1x3 is going to go there, and you can probably work out some 1x1s are going to go in there. Look. Come on, let's not bail on me now. I'm nearly done. See if we can get it done inside an hour. What an achievement that would be. Not quite as much of an achievement if somebody actually watched the entire hour. As I say, it's good fuel for helping you get to sleep. Nothing else. Or if you've got a particularly bad stomach and you've got to spend quite a while in the toilet. Say from reading the back of the Jif bottle, it's not Jif, you know, it's Cif bottle or bleach, or going through the ingredients on your shower gel, you could watch this. Right, there's a little, there he is. To start with, you've got a trailer as well. Where's the trailer gone? There it is. Like that. Like that. Like that. Come on, let's get going quicker. Come on. It's got these which don't quite line up because there's a gap. But anyway, doesn't matter. That's the way it's designed. And it's going to have a wheel on there somewhere. Here it is. And it's going to go on there. And it also tells us we've now got to get a load of suitcases and fill them with things. It looks like we have, yes. Right, I'll bring these round. Here are my suitcases. See those? We've got 4 brown and 2 white, and I've got, this is supposed to represent luggage, no? That's what they're taking on holiday. A big tile, so we've got to put a white one in each brown one, because we've got 4 of those. Yeah. Oh, it's broken the bloody thing, never mind. Fine, that'll be opened anyway. They did have a bit of wear, these suitcases, because you know, fine. Another one. And you are literally watching me pack my suitcase. Another broken one, doesn't matter again. Although it does think that's sodding thing back on. There we go. Right, 2 white ones. Come on. Red. They stopped doing this at a later date. I mean, I don't even know if they did it in any airports. I don't think it was just the railways did it. Because my high-speed train has that sort of thing going on. Right, there they are. We'll leave those on the floor for now. We've got to make... Oh. No, we've got to make the lamps, haven't we? A bit tedious, don't they? Let's do 2 at a time. Get it done. That could do with some hydrogen peroxide, maybe slightly yellowed. Right. Tack down at the bottom. Where's the other one? One of those. Okay. Okay, there's one. There's the other. Well, here's me axles coming in here. Right. So we've got to put one of these on the end. Okay. I mean, what's going on there? Generally can't see what's going on there. Oh, that's stay on then. This is very odd instructions. I mean, it's basically, I think... I'll show you the instructions, but it's basically telling you to put a bit on and then take it off. If you look at number 3, it's got a 4 next to it. Basically, it means you've got to thread it through there and put one on the other side, which is a really odd way of doing your instructions. So I think what they're saying is, you do that, that doesn't look quite right, does it? Right. Is that right? Well, I haven't got enough for that. That's not right. Let's look again. Okay, it's going again. Right. What is it? Axle? Oh, I see. It's an axle that's a 4. Well, I know it's a 4. You didn't tell me that. Right, no, that is right. So that goes on there. Then you slide that onto there. Then you put it onto there. Is that right then? Well, if that's true, I haven't got enough of these. But even that's weird because you've got a little bit left at the end and the instructions don't show that. Ugh. No, it's kind of showing a gap for some reason. I think it's that. That's... Right, it appears to be that, if you look further on the instructions. Okay, well that was a lot of time wasting there, wasn't it? But supposed to do 2 together to make that quicker, and that's gone twice as long as it should have done, but we'll put them on anyway. See, we put the... There we go. Right, that's what happens when you build things you've never built before. Okay, let's go through there. Okay. And that removes it. Right, it's that either side. There we go. Right, so that. Then we leave a space. They're not very clear instructions. I'm not being thick, honestly. Yeah. Okay, you can go on the other end. There don't have any lights in there, though, of course, do they? I think they was just expected to buy like a lighting kit and then stick a light in there and then put the wire down the outside, I think, is the idea. That goes there anyway, down that end. Right, we've got lots of people on the platform to add now. Right, so he's supposed to be about there. And he's got what? I'm just going to, we won't do that just yet. He's got 3. 1, 2, 3. We've got, I'm going to put you down there because you get more bloody nerves, aren't you? We've got this woman posting a letter. So she's going to go over by the post box. Okay, she's there. We've got a bloke up here waving on top of the tower. There he is. Bloke with a brown suitcase. Gonna go there. I'm gonna have a cup that's been left on there. I don't know who's. This is an empty. Brought their empties back. It's gonna go on there. He's gonna stand slightly further back now. There he goes. Oh, this is fun. One more sticker. Okay. So maybe get a spare as well, see, like you did on the originals. Let's get it right in the, let's see what we're doing. Alright. Yeah, happy with that, there it is. Right, where's the guard? There he is. Have your paddle. Okay. You're going to stand there, I believe. One with the white suitcase. Oh, I see. The people wearing the overalls obviously work there, don't they? That's why. You've all got that business. Oh. So the woman, so this one with the overalls, she's in the ticket office. Still giving her an admin job, aren't they, rather than any sort of labour-intensive job, but still, perhaps she prefers it that way. Blake hiding at the back here with his cowboy hat. I'm guessing he's got the last brown suitcase. If he hasn't, he's going to have it anyway. I'm going to kindly give to him. Okay, and I'm going to put you slightly over there because I don't want him to fall off. And lastly, we've got this. I don't think it clips on, that would be silly because it would be too high. So it's just going to have to go next to it, I believe. So we'll put this together. Come on, let's see if we can just under an hour if we can do this. It's really quick if I hadn't pissed around with those lights. Yeah. Each sort of set has a slightly different way of doing the lights as well, so that doesn't help. Not consistent. Come on, right. Move you along. Some of these rails could do with going in the bleach as well. Come on. Nearly there. Right, so it's the 7824 railway station or train station from 1983. And let's put our track there. And we are finished. Oh, just under an hour, look at that. Well, if you got this far, well done. If you jumped this far, completely understandable. You may well be asleep now anyway, so good night.